you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Today, I'm going to try and do a bit of vlogging because I haven't done that for so long. Everything has been such a rush, as I have mentioned before. But today, we have a couple of errands to do. My room is a tip, so look at all that. We will come to that later. Today, we are taking back, if I switch you round, we are taking back some stuff from my Summer Brights haul. Because they were the wrong sizes. So I had that orangey coral shirt and shorts. They were really, really big on me, so I ordered them in a size down. They've arrived much better. This top I ordered in an XL and it was an L that arrived. With an XL label on it, so that's arrived and that is so much better. And that is the size 16 in the coral, and that works. And I also, because I didn't know what size I was going to be in these trousers, I also ordered these in a 16, and no I didn't, I ordered them in an 18 and a 20, and the 20 was too big and the 18 was perfect, so that is going back. So I'm using my Harrods bag to take the stuff back because it's nice and bright, and that's what I'm going for. My outfit of the day is this Thought jumpsuit. It's so cosy, I love it. It's got pockets, it's the right length for me on my stubby little legs, and I'm going to wear it with my white Birkies, my Marc Jacobs tote bag, and a slick of my pink dual lipstick from Secret Santa. So I showed the lion this combo, which I think are perfect together, and he said, "Are you a Barbie girl in a Barbie world?" Yes, I suppose I am, and yes, I do want to watch the film. Anyone else want to watch the film? My hair's still a little bit damp from washing it this morning, but I really don't care. Let's get on our way, see what the day brings. We are going to Ipswich. That's right, I didn't tell you, because we're taking the stuff back. It was all John Lewis ordered stuff. But we don't have a local John Lewis. There's one in Ipswich, but it's like a homewares one, but you can return online clothing orders there because I have done that before. So we're going to go and I'm going to have a look at some of the furniture and the homewares, and I've got a hankering for a saute pan, which I wish we'd bought last time we were there, and we're just going to go and have a look and see what's what. Nearly forgot scent of the day. I have been wearing this Fern Summer, but because it's pink, I think I'm going to have to go with the Gucci Flora. So, are you going to build us a pizza oven, or are we going to get one of these little pizza ovens?
We'll probably build one, I think. Brick, right?
Brick one.
Yeah,
oh, whoops.
Wood fired. Although we're probably going to have to buy this one because you've just broken it.
Oh dear. Yeah, maybe don't touch that.
It's heavy, isn't it?
It is heavy, yeah.
I think that's
that'll be part of the problem.
It's insulated, so yeah.
Right, so we don't need a new barbecue because ours is pretty good,
No,
but
that's not true.
I think we need one of those. What do you mean that's not true? You chose our barbecue because it was really good. Let's just try and get this bad boy in. Look at that. That would be amazing in the garden. Bargain. Any of you lovely lot use soda streams? What do you think of them? Disappointed they got Pepsi. Blech. Nobody likes that. 7-Up though. And these look like they could be interesting. Crisp apple and summer orange. The lion seems interested. Are we going to end up having this in the living room rather than in the snug?
No, I think it's great in the snug. Just sit down in the snug.
How easy is it to move? Because if we want to move it round for the... What was that? Really heavy? You're such a knob. Yeah. And it's named after my favourite gin, so it's got to be good, isn't it? Okay, well, we'll look at the options for that. So this is all customizable. Let's get a little bite to eat. We bought a couple of things and we've seen a chair. Ooh. Stopped for a quick bite to eat. We have just completed a 1-week gluten-free experiment and decided last night that we don't feel any better or anything for it, so we have ditched that experiment and we're basically going full-on gluten now. We had some gluten-free bread for breakfast, but lunch is not going to be gluten-free. Macaroni cheese for me, white chocolate and lemons, Sicilian lemon. A lion's trying to open my drink, and what's that, Emmentaler and mushroom toasty. I mean, it's a sea of beige, isn't it? It's a sea of carbs, a sea of beige, a sea of gluten, and I'm here for it. This could probably be a new favourite for me. It's raspberry lemonade and it's pink. Oh yeah, that's tasty. How was your lunch? Did you really taste the gluten? I really tasted the gluten.
It was horrible, wasn't it?
It was lovely. The macaroni cheese was delicious. Oh, I didn't need that cookie though. My God, I feel stuffed. Oh, look at the pretty flowers. He's off. He's on a mission. He's on a mission. That one? We'll have that one. I will have that one. The very cherry. I picked up a watermelon in thingy, didn't I? Thank you. And do you want to try the Eton Mess one? Yeah?
These gluten free?
These are everything free. They're palm oil free, they're vegan, and yet they're still tasty. Did you get the Ruby Taylor ones? Who's that handsome chap? I changed my card holder to pink yesterday as well. No. It's warm, but where's the sun gone? We're home and I'm feeling quite pooped now, but we've got a job to do this afternoon. I'll show you what we got at John Lewis in a little bit, but our big job this afternoon. So it's going to go on there. We've got some like little foamy pads for it to sit on. We've just this week had this outside electrical point put in there, so that's good. But ultimately we are going to have a proper hot tub, and we're going to put that sort of there-ish on the lawn. It's not going to be on the lawn, it'll be on a raised bit, and there'll be like a little walkway and stuff like that to go onto it. So it'll be there, but for the time being, for the little inflatable one, we're just going to put it there. So, have you locked me out again? He's such a knob.
Wherever you're selling, we're not buying any of it.
I feel like I'm repeating myself a lot in vlogs when I say you're a dick. And you're lucky you're cute because you're not as funny as you think you are.
You have to bleep all that out. In fact, I refuse to have my face in your videos. There you go, that's on video now.
Going to ignore that. Right, what we got at John Lewis. We did a little bit of food shop, but that's not very exciting. We got some candy kittens in John Lewis at full price, and then discovered they're on special in Waitrose next door, which is a bit annoying. So we also got this pan that I'm very excited about. It's a stainless steel. And the last thing we got is this pizza paddle thing, pizza peel. So that handle screws on into there.
A snow shovel.
Snow shovel. Tasty snow. You look pretty terrifying wielding it. Yes, you do. It's a little bit mirrory. Yeah, nice. Just go and make me a goddamn pizza. Now we've had our pizza lessons, so we know how to make pizza. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Breeze. Breeze. Quick change of clothes. And a broom. Oh, hi Lily, what do you think? Lily absolutely loved the hot tub. She would sleep on the lid. We've got the lid inflated. We've started filling. We're just checking the levels because it's not a completely level ground. Lily Bean. Oh, I'm sorry Daisy. Was I not paying attention to you? Ow, that's a claw right in my toe. Right in my toe. Thank you. What's that? What's that? Is that a snake? 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 Is it a snake? We keep getting big blobs of water dropping out of the sky, don't we, Daisy? Don't we, Daisy? Don't we? But I'm going to stay out here for as long as I can. The hot tub is filling up. I have a glass of vino, and hopefully the thunderstorms will stay at bay, at least for the next couple of hours, because we got steak for the line to cook on the barbecue for us tonight. But those little blobs of rain keep coming periodically, and then they go away again, and then they come back again, and then they go away again. So who knows what's going to happen. But I'm going to say goodbye now, just in case all hell breaks loose. So ta-ta for now. Stay fan-dabby-dozy.